guys, it's Jason here with another back-to-back unboxing video. So the previous video, which was arguably a couple hours ago, the sound quality might not be great on that because I had to basically talk in a sort of whisper form, so that way I wouldn't have to wake my parents up because it was like 2 in the morning I recorded it. Now it's 1 in the afternoon. I have a little bit more leeway. This package that I have today is going to build on the previous package that I have, specifically one of them, which is the South African Soldier 2000 cap. We're gonna get right into opening that. This is also from the UK because the UK was a former colonial ruler of South Africa. First it was the Dutch, then the British took over, and then I can't remember when they gained independence, but that's just USPS reminding me that the package was delivered. You gotta love USPS. Let's keep funding that. Government services, we love that. Well, as I was saying, I couldn't remember when South Africa gained their independence. It was probably during the early 1900s, and they still had sort of a tie to the UK. I think they were still somewhat connected to the Commonwealth, if I'm not mistaken. If there's anyone from South Africa who would like to elaborate, please comment below. This package is from the UK because that's pretty much the obvious place a South African military surplus would go to first before going anywhere else, like the United States or, I don't know, some far-flung place like Fiji. I don't know. Here it is, the package. It has the UK stamped registry on it. It has the face of the Queen and just a whole bunch of stuff that you guys don't need to worry about. And without further ado, let's open this up. Just to let you know, I actually won this in the bid, and I basically had to do some aggressive bidding. The people I were bidding against basically backed out because they're like, I'm not willing to pay for that, but I was. Safe to say I won that bid. Alright, there we go. I don't want to use the scissors too much. We're gonna rely on our hands. So the package unfolds just like that, and from here it's just me taking it out. Oh my, would you look at that? What's that? Another rare camo to add on to the dozens of rare camo that I have so far. It's finally here, folks. I might be the only person in Utica that owns this type of camo. South African Soldier 2000. Take a look at that. It's finally here. It's been long awaited. It's been something that I've wanted for a very long time. I think I'm gonna wear this on my trip tomorrow because tomorrow I leave for Atlantic City, New Jersey, and I'm going to show this off. So that's cool. Previously, I was wearing the Brazilian M1964 camo pants off screen. It had this kind of zipper. The zipper wasn't all that fabulous to put on. It was actually really tough to put on. So hopefully this is a more standard button-up type of thing. Should be easier to put on. And it has a wide belt loop just in case I need it. Though I don't think I do because it's a size 32. Elaborating on the South African Soldier 2000, if you haven't heard of already, it is a variant of the American Desert Chocolate Chip camo back when it was made in the 80s. So obviously you can see the influences here. Instead of it being in the standard khaki type of like orange type of color, instead you have more colors that are native to South Africa, so that way it would blend in better. It replaced the South African Nutria uniforms where it was just like a basic sort of khaki color, no camo whatsoever. There were a couple of like, you know, one-off camos that South Africa produced, but those are more for special forces or their militarized police units during the apartheid days. Yeah, this is South African Soldier 2000. Very, very hard to come by, very hard to get. South Africa has this thing where you are not allowed to export this at all, and if you get caught trying to export this, you basically face jail time. You are also not allowed to wear this in South Africa because you also face jail time. Africa is, for all intents and purposes, not the most stable place in the world. Go America and Europe for, you know, contributing to that. Finally got it. Rare piece of camo. I think I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow because I want to show off. I'm gonna try this off camera. 20 out of 10. A rare 20 out of 10 because it's just a good looking camo. It's so hard to get. I had to pay $100 for it. There was another person I was trying to bid for before this one. They were asking for $300. I was trying to save up to get it, and then someone got to it first. So I was like, I had to go scramble on eBay and try to find it, and long story short, here we are. Now I just gotta find the top, which that's gonna be a little hard to find because those run out very quickly, but at least I got the pants to go with it. So I got the pants and the cap, all from the same person. Very rare you see that. They usually sell them either in a complete set or, you know, separate from like, you know, different buyers and stuff like that. But that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think of this very rare, hard to get on the military surplus South African Soldier 2000, inspired by American Desert Chocolate Chip camo that was used during the First Gulf War and then got replaced with the DCU. Bit of an American influence there, but with a South African twist to it. I am currently working through some of the older videos. I'll see how long that takes me. Hopefully, I should get the vast majority of them up by the time summer vacation is over. You never know. I will see you guys in the next one.